The U.S. Army steps into the future with AI-assisted rifles, merging technology and precision like never before.
Every rifle now comes with an intelligent scope that calculates trajectory and environmental factors instantly.
Training now meets technology, ensuring every shot has unparalleled accuracy.
AI calculates angles, bullet drop, and even the shooter's stance in milliseconds.
What once took seconds of calculation is now automatic, giving soldiers real-time intelligence on every shot.
The battlefield adapts, and now so does the rifle, helping soldiers respond faster than ever.
Even maintenance becomes smarter, with AI alerting troops to potential issues before they happen.
This is just the beginning. The rifle of tomorrow is now in their hands.
AI-assisted rifles give soldiers the edge, tracking targets with unparalleled precision in any terrain.
Every movement is calculated. Distance, wind, and motion, everything accounted for in real time.
Multiple targets, multiple angles. The AI rifle simplifies the impossible. Even harsh environments can't reduce accuracy. AI adapts to every variable.
From moving vehicles to aerial threats, precision is no longer a guess. Darkness is no longer a limitation. Every soldier can see the unseen.
The rifle predicts, calculates, and guides, helping soldiers make split-second decisions.
The future of battlefield precision is here, and it's changing combat forever.
AI rifles integrate seamlessly with modern battlefield tech, drones, sensors, and command centers.
Information from multiple sources is combined instantly, providing a complete tactical picture.
Cover and concealment are optimized. The rifle calculates the best trajectory even from unconventional positions.
Team coordination improves as every rifle shares vital targeting info in real time.
Every move is analyzed, giving soldiers a tactical advantage before an engagement begins.
Commanders can make smarter decisions, knowing each soldier's rifle is an AI-assisted asset.
Every corner, every alley, every building, the AI anticipates threats to maximize safety and efficiency.
Integration is the key. The AI rifle is now an essential part of the modern soldier's toolkit.
AI rifles allow soldiers to detect hidden enemies in any environment.
Rapid engagements are now safer and more precise.
Night operations, once risky, are now under complete control.
Movement no longer sacrifices accuracy. The AI compensates instantly.
Squads operate in harmony, each rifle enhancing the effectiveness of the team. Every potential threat is evaluated, giving soldiers a predictive advantage.
Strategic movements are optimized, reducing casualties and increasing mission success.
Next-gen advantages mean every soldier is smarter, faster, and deadlier.
AI rifles are not just tools. They are force multiplier in the hands of the modern soldier. Every shot, every move, every engagement is enhanced by intelligent computation.
Tactical coordination reaches new heights when every rifle shares real-time data.
Navigation and situational awareness are transformed, even in unpredictable environments. Recoil, terrain, and weather, all automatically compensated for by the AI system.
Commanders can adapt strategies instantly.
thanks to live data from every rifle.
The rifle of tomorrow is here today. Smarter, faster, and more lethal than ever before.
Next-generation AI rifles are redefining the battlefield. Like this video, subscribe to Warfare Dynasty, and witness the future of combat technology.